Hello everyone. If you are preparing for JAMB, one subject you cannot afford to fail is use of English. Many students lose marks not because the exam is difficult, but because they do not understand the structure of the questions. In this video, I will show you simple tips and tricks that can help you score very high in JAMB use of English. We will also look at sample questions and model answers from the main sections of the exam. So, in a nutshell, we are looking at best tips and tricks for high scores in JAMB use of English. This is English Classes Online, and I am your host, Benjamin. Let's begin. Section 1, Lexis and Structure. This section tests your knowledge of grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure, and correct usage. You will see questions on concord, tenses, prepositions, idioms, and sentence completion. Here is the tip for this section. Always read the sentence carefully and check subject-verb agreement, the correct tenses, and the correct meaning of words. Don't ever choose an option just because it sounds right. Choose the one that is grammatically correct. Here is a sample question. Choose the option that best completes the sentence. Neither the teacher nor the students blank space present at the meeting. Now, the following are options you are to choose from. A, was, B, where, C, is, and D, be. The correct answer is B, where. You may ask why. This is because in sentences with neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject closest to it. We call this the law of proximity. The subject closest to the verb here is students, which is plural. So the correct answer is neither the teacher nor the students were present at the meeting. Section 2, Reading Comprehension. In this section, you will read a short passage and answer questions based on it. Many students lose marks here because they rush through the passage. Here is the tip for this section. Follow these 3 steps. First, read the questions quickly. Second, read the passage carefully. Third, go back and locate the exact part of the passage that contains the answer. Don't ever guess if the answer is clearly stated in the passage. One of the rules of answering comprehension questions is that it is evidence-based. That means you need to look for the evidence in the passage. There is no room for personal opinion. Here is a sample passage. Regular reading improves vocabulary and strengthens communication skills. Now the question. According to the passage, regular reading helps to A. Improve vocabulary, B. Reduce stress, C. Increase wealth, and D. Improve handwriting. The correct answer is A. Improve vocabulary. The answer is directly stated in the passage, so it is easy to identify. This brings us to section 3, which is summary. This section tests your ability to identify the main idea of a passage. Instead of asking long questions, JAMB asks you to complete summary sentences. And here is the tip for this section. Focus only on the main ideas not minor details. Look for words like therefore, in conclusion, the main reason, the result. These key words or phrases often introduce the key points. And here is a sample question. Education helps individuals develop skills needed for employment. It also prepares them to contribute meaningfully to society. Education is important mainly because, now this is the question. We first read the passage, education helps individuals develop skills needed for employment. It also prepares them to contribute meaningfully to society. That is the passage. Now the question, education is important mainly because it A. creates entertainment, B. develops useful skills, C. reduces population, and D. increases government power. The correct answer is B. develops useful skills. This is because that is the central idea of the statement. Section 4. Oral forms. This section tests pronunciation and sound recognition. You may see questions on vowel sounds, consonant sounds, stress patterns, or rhyming words. Now, here is the tip for this section. Focus on how words sound, not how they are spelled. English spelling can be misleading. Practice listening to correct pronunciation regularly. This is the sample question. Choose the word that has the same vowel sound as the underlined part. The given word is S-E-A-T. Underlined part is E-A, the letters E-A. The options are A, S-I-T, B, S-E-T, C, B-E-A-T, D, S-A-T. The correct answer is C, B-E-A-T. And the reason is clear. Both S-E-A-T and B-E-A-T contain the long vowel sound E. Now, how do you arrive at this correct answer? First of all, pronounce the given word. The given word here is S-E-A-T and it is pronounced seed. After that, pronounce the options one by one. Option A, S-I-T, sit. It has the short E sound. Option B, S-E-T, set. Option C, B-E-A-T, beat. Option D, S-A-T, sat. So you can now see that option C, which is beat, has the same vowel sound as the given word seed, and that is why it is the correct answer. This brings us to final strategies for JAMB English. Before I end this video, here are 4 important strategies that can significantly improve your score. First, practice past questions regularly. JAMB often repeats similar patterns. Second, manage your time carefully. Do not spend too long on one question. Third, read questions very carefully before choosing an answer. And fourth, build your vocabulary daily. Reading books, articles, and newspapers will help you greatly. Now, a quick overview. JAMB Use of English is not impossible to pass. If you understand grammar, comprehension, summary, and oral English, you can score very high marks. Success in JAMB is mostly about preparation and strategy. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to English Classes Online for more lessons on JAMB, WASI, and English improvement. Don't forget that on this channel, we also help those who are preparing for IELTS, IELTS, and DET, which is Duolingo English Test. We also help those preparing for literature in English in WASI. Now, tell me in the comments, which section of JAMB English do you find the most difficult? Let's discuss it. If you indicate which section of JAMB English you find most difficult, we might make it the topic for discussion in our next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.